It's hurricane season, and my name is David Parker, and Parker Systems provides logistics support to national companies like Motorola, and this is our Storm Operation Center. Inside our Storm Operation Center, you'll find a warehouse, and in this warehouse we store our big trucks, our trailers, our equipment, and all the materials that we need to support the storm. And as we go through here, we'll go into our conference room. And in this conference room, we utilize it for our logistics planning as we get ready to move into the storm. So we get in this room and we coordinate our exit. This is where we're gonna put a list up on the board and we're gonna have all the gear that we're gonna load up. Because Parker, we're kind of responsible for moving people great distances over time. So we're gonna have fuel, we're gonna have sleeping trailers, we're gonna have the logistics piece, we're gonna have food, we're gonna have stand to feed all the guys, and then we're gonna bring Motorola along. And their system technologists are going to provide the technology that they need to get these sites back on the air, whether it's a microwave path, an RF problem, or a connectivity problem back. So we kind of all work together. So Parker's going to get the electricity and the generators and the logistics out to the sites, and Motorola's going to turn the sites back on. And we're going to use this room to get all that stuff ready. Coordinating in the last hours of us departing out, we're going to meet in this room, and this is where all the decisions are made about where we're headed, what part of the storm we're going to, and when we're leaving. This year, if you noticed up here on board, this is kind of our convoy, and you'll see it says Parker 1. So this is the lead Parker 1 pickup truck, and it says plus nav. That should say navigator. And so this year, Steven, the videographer that's making this video right now, he's going to be our navigator. And we're going to have him Waze and GPSs that don't require cell phone connectivity and internet and all kinds of other tools so that he can help the lead driver of the convoy to always kind of know what's coming up ahead. Because as we're going into the storm, you have to remember people have been evacuated, people are exiting, and we're meeting with like road conditions and no fuel and all those kind of situations. Another cool thing about this truck and the way we've got our camp set up this year and all the equipment is we have Starlink, we have Cradle Point modems that have multiple GPS suppliers in them. We have a lot of different tools that we can get internet now. And what's cool about us getting internet is Steven is going to be able to get a daily video out. So Jim Cantori's not going to have a lot on us because while he may pick which area that he's going to go to, we're going to be going to the area that's affected. And if you were to follow along with us and subscribe to this channel, you're going to see the videos that we create as we're getting ready for a storm, and as the 2023 season comes online, you're going to see these videos pop up, and then during the storm, you're going to get nearly a daily update of what's happening in the storm, kind of in real time, because we're going to have Steven in there, and we're going to give you guys the same access that we have of immediately following the storm. Go out and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. And if you've got a buddy or somebody that you think would enjoy it or that lives on the coast that these videos could be helpful for them as the storm season comes into this year, let them know.